Hi and welcome back to my channel, my study hacks 51, and today I am here to explain a small code of do while loop which will demonstrate the application areas of do while loop. So let's start. First, I start with a class, then I declare a int variable p, then I write scanner x new scanner.system.in, then I write do, and then I write system.out.print, enter password, then p equals to x dot next int, then while p is not equal to 1 2 3, then system dot out dot print ln welcome, and that's it. Let's compile the code and run the program. It asks for password. The password is, again it asks for password because password is entered is wrong. Now put I enter the correct password, then it stop and print welcome. So that's it for today. Hope you understand the code and see you in next video.